Let's talk about something that's keeping a lot of law firm owners up at night: compensation. With competition for top talent hotter than ever, everyone's scrambling to offer the best deals. But here's the kicker: you still need to make a profit, and trust me, that's where things get tricky. I've seen it firsthand. We had a client in the Pacific Northwest, fantastic firm, and their lawyers were getting bombarded with offers. They were loyal, they wanted to stay, but they were showing her these offers. We analyzed 8 of them. Guess what? Not a single one would have been profitable for the firm. Not one. Now, I know what you're thinking. What do you mean profitable? Let's break it down. Law firm compensation, it's a maze, right? You've got formula-based, you've got lockstep, and every firm seems to have its own twist. But basically, you're either rewarding people based on what they produce, billable hours, clients brought in, or based on how long they've been there. The key is you need a system that motivates your team and keeps the lights on. Here's a principle we swear by: the rule of thirds. 1/3 goes to your team, payroll, 1/3 goes to overhead, all those other expenses, and 1/3 goes to profit. That means your billable people need to bring in at least 3 times their cost. Ideally, we want that to be between 3 and 5 times. Why 5? Because your billable folks are paying for your non-billable team, your support staff. Let's look at your attorneys. You've got your grinders, your new associates. They're learning, they're billing, and they're bringing in about 5 times their cost. They're your foundation. Then you've got your minders, your mid-levels. They're taking on more responsibilities, their billing rates going up, but their multiple drops to around 4. And then you've got your finders, your rainmakers. They bring in the clients, they might not bill as much, but when they do, their rate is sky high. You want to make sure you're getting at least 3 times their cost. Now, compensation can be a minefield. Traditional models, they often reward just billable hours, ignoring crucial work like mentoring, or they reward tenure over performance, and they often leave out non-attorney staff. That's a problem. You need a system that's fair, that motivates everyone, and that aligns with your firm's goals. So, how do you design a plan that works? You need to know your numbers, the 3x to 5x multiple. You need to understand what motivates your people. Is it money? Is it stability? Is it bringing in new clients? You've got levers you can pull: salary, billable hour minimums, bonuses for origination, bonuses for billing. For someone money-motivated, a lower salary with a higher percentage of collected billings might be perfect. For someone risk-averse, a higher salary with a set minimum is better. And for your rainmakers, origination bonuses are key. Now, I know you were hoping for a magic formula. There isn't one. Anyone who tells you there is, run the other way. There are guidelines, like the 3x to 5x multiple, but ultimately, you need to do what's right for your firm and your people. But here's the bottom line. If you compromise and accept a multiple of less than 3, you pay the price. Your overhead doesn't change. Your profit takes the hit, and that's your family's money. So ask yourself, are you willing to sacrifice your family's financial security for a compensation plan that doesn't work?